This is a story of how I died. Well, not literally, but figuratively speaking. That's because in the next few days, my all-time queen is having her 15th anniversary concert, and I won't be attending because I'm broke. Yeah, I may have been very overly dramatic in the beginning. I mean, that's what I've been feeling deep inside, literally. Yeah, I wish I'd known earlier so that I didn't go home last year, could have just gone this year, but nobody told me anything. So, you know. The point of this video is I want to share 5 survival tips for this concert, whether it's your first time watching or if it's your 15th time watching Sarah G's concert or any concert really. You definitely need to stay hydrated because you're going to sing their songs, you're gonna shout, you're gonna have so much energy, you're probably gonna be dancing, like all the moves and all that stuff, so you're gonna be sweating, so you need to stay hydrated. And also, the downside of drinking too much water is it's gonna get you to the washroom, so you better kind of moderate, you know, drink, I would say. If you can hold your pee, then sure, you can. But if not, then I would suggest to take on the breaks or take on the first, like the front acts. Yeah, the front acts before the actual show of your idol or before Sarah G comes out. Water, water, water. Stay hydrated. Very important. If you're planning to buy some merch and all that good stuff, you need to bring some cash. I used to buy t-shirts before, but I don't anymore. I just target for the albums because I use those. I don't wear the t-shirts anymore. Whoever invented the portable charger, you're a genius. That saves my life because phones nowadays, the battery just goes down fast because of how much we consume with social media and just using our phone. Like it's insane. It's great to have the portable charger for sure. You better make sure your phone is charged because you don't want to miss your favorite song or fantastic performance, you know? If you're going to do some Instagram stories or Snapchat stories or tweeting, you know, during the concert, I know I did during the 24SG back in 2012. I had my pocket Wi-Fi and I didn't know that my Wi-Fi that night was about to expire. So I was tweeting like halfway through the show, in the beginning of the show, and it's still going. And by the end of the show, of the concert, I was like, well, why is my tweet not going anymore? Because apparently my Wi-Fi has expired. So yeah, I was kind of bummed. So I gotta wait till I go home and then post all those tweets. But they're not live tweets anymore, right? So yeah, that concert was pretty fun. If this is your first time going for a Sarah G concert, let me tell you, you will never be prepared. I can't say it. No matter how much you prepare, it's not enough, you know? Like, Sarah G concert is just next level for me. Like, for me, I'm being biased, but you know, my first ever concert of Sarah G was 24SG, and let me tell you, this is true story. The moment she got up when she sang Beyonce's when she sang that, when she came up on the stage, my heart sank, all my hairs went up, and I cried. I bawled. I was crying for 10 minutes. I have my iPhone like up like this, filming her, and I'm like, I can't believe this is happening. literally, I'm like bawling, crying for 10 minutes, and I had my phone up for 20 minutes because I really want to capture that first moment she comes up. And yeah, like, I was looking around and I feel like everybody's like, you know, enjoying and screaming and so happy to see her and all that stuff. But for me, that was my first time, and it was a dream in the making for me. It took me years to wait for that moment, to watch her live, her concert. Like, yeah. I just cannot contain my emotions. Again, like, you know, before the concert starts, they hype you. The fans will scream, you have goosebumps everywhere. Like now, especially now, her upcoming concert, there are light sticks prepared by the fans, and this is literally like #lit. It's gonna be lit, you guys. It's gonna be next level. And yeah, I'm just so sad I cannot go. I know. Bonus story. When Sarah G did the Perfect 10 concert here in Canada, I was also at the Toronto concert, and I had the honor and privilege to watch her rehearsals. And let me tell you, this is just rehearsals. Sometimes when I'm taking a photo or a video of Sarah G, I just want to put it down and I just want to watch her and just like, wow, she's so talented. Like, wow. Yeah, like I get goosebumps each time I relive that moment. And it's so different when you hear it live than when you just hear it from a radio or through your music and all that. It's different when you hear it live. It's just different. And that's my top 5 tips. I hope you guys got something out of this. I feel like I just fangirled and babbled all the way. To all the first time goers for this concert, be prepared to be mind blown. It's an amazing event. I cannot even put together words to describe how much you guys are going to have so much fun, and you're definitely gonna enjoy. You're gonna see like the next level Sarah G. It's different when you see it on TV than on live. I'm telling you, it's just different. And to all the pop stars and everyone going, please be safe, good luck, have fun, enjoy for me because I won't be there, but that's okay. I'll look out for your tweets and your stories and all that. I know it's gonna be available like right at the second when it's happening. I hope someone can do live. I'm just kidding. That's okay. I can catch up on it later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita. And remember, you are enough. Bye! I can't believe I'm not going. Alam ko merong ano may US concert, pero again, I'd rather go to the Philippines than going to the US concert. But it's too late because it's gonna happen in the next couple of days. You know what I'm saying?